Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something that affects millions of people, especially as we get older: knee pain. If you've ever struggled with sore knees when climbing stairs, walking around the neighborhood, or even just getting up from a chair, you know how frustrating it can be. The good news is that knee pain doesn't have to control your life. You can take steps to feel better, regain mobility, and even prevent future pain. In this podcast, we'll explore why knees hurt, what you can do naturally to reduce pain, and how to strengthen your joints for long-term health. Before we dive in, if you find this content helpful, please hit the like button, share this episode with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips to live an active and healthy life. Knee pain is very common, especially in older adults. There are a few main reasons why our knees start to hurt as we age. First, there's wear and tear, also known as osteoarthritis. Over time, the cartilage that cushions your knee joint gradually wears down. When the cartilage becomes thin, the bones start rubbing against each other, causing pain, stiffness, and sometimes swelling. Second, past injuries can make knee pain worse. Things like torn ligaments, meniscus injuries, or even fractures from years ago can leave the knee more vulnerable to pain later in life. Even small injuries you might have ignored years ago can come back to haunt you. Third, weight plays a big role. Extra body weight puts additional pressure on your knee joints. Even just a few extra pounds can increase stress on the knees every time you walk or climb stairs. That's why maintaining a healthy weight is so important for joint health. Fourth, nutrition matters. A lack of essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids can weaken bones and cartilage, making joints more susceptible to pain. Finally, genetics and hormones can also influence knee health. Women, especially after menopause, are more prone to knee pain due to changes in hormone levels that affect cartilage and bone density. Understanding these causes is the first step toward taking control of your knee health. And remember, knowing why something hurts helps you address it more effectively. One of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce knee pain is to maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight adds pressure to your knees with every step you take. Even losing a small amount of weight can significantly reduce stress on your joints and decrease pain. It's not about extreme dieting. Small, consistent changes in your eating habits can make a big difference over time. Focus on whole foods, plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil and fish rich in omega-3s. Remember, every pound you lose is a pound less pressure on your knees. So start small, celebrate progress, and keep moving forward. Exercise is another key factor in keeping your knees healthy and pain-free. It might sound counterintuitive, but moving your knees can actually reduce pain rather than make it worse. The right types of exercise strengthen the muscles around your knees. Stronger muscles support your joints and reduce strain on the cartilage. Simple exercises like walking, swimming, cycling, or gentle yoga can make a big difference. For example, swimming is excellent because it provides resistance without putting extra pressure on your joints. Walking is simple and effective, especially if you keep a steady pace. You can also try light leg raises or seated knee extensions at home. Even 10 minutes a day can help. One thing to remember: avoid high-impact exercises if your knees are already sore. Running on hard surfaces, jumping, or heavy lifting can worsen pain. Stick to low-impact activities that strengthen your muscles while protecting your joints. And don't forget flexibility. Stretching your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves can reduce stiffness and improve mobility. Consider yoga or simple stretches after a warm-up. Nutrition plays a major role in joint health. Eating foods rich in calcium and vitamin D supports strong bones, while omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in the joints. Some great options include fatty fish like salmon or sardines, leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds, dairy or fortified plant-based milk, fruits rich in antioxidants like berries. You can also consider supplements, but always consult your doctor before starting anything new. A diet rich in nutrients doesn't just improve your knees, it boosts your overall health, energy levels, and mood. Sometimes, even with exercise and diet, knee pain persists. This is where physical therapy can help. Physical therapists can guide you through exercises tailored to your knee's condition. They focus on improving range of motion, strengthening supporting muscles, and teaching safe ways to move. Many people find significant relief through a few weeks or months of consistent therapy. For temporary pain relief, your doctor may recommend over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen. These can reduce inflammation and make it easier to move, but they should be used carefully and under guidance. Remember, medications are supportive. The real long-term solution comes from movement, strength, and nutrition. In severe cases, knee replacement surgery may be considered. While this is usually a last resort, it can dramatically improve quality of life for people with advanced joint degeneration. However, many people never need surgery. With the right combination of weight management, exercise, nutrition, and therapy, you can regain mobility and reduce pain naturally. Surgery is there if everything else has been tried and the pain is limiting your daily life. Besides exercise and nutrition, daily habits matter. Simple changes can protect your knees and prevent future pain. Avoid sitting or standing in one position for too long. Move every hour. Use supportive footwear. Shoes with good cushioning reduce knee strain. Take the stairs slowly and use railings for support if needed. Listen to your body. Rest when your knees feel sore, but don't become sedentary. Consistency is key. Small daily actions compound over time and make a big difference in how your knees feel. Dealing with knee pain can be frustrating, but your mindset matters. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Celebrate small wins, a longer walk without pain, a few stairs climbed with ease, or improved flexibility. Remember, you're investing in your independence, mobility, and quality of life. Don't let knee pain hold you back from the activities you love. To wrap up, knee pain is common, but it doesn't have to control your life. Maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, eating nutrient-rich foods, and seeking guidance from physical therapists or doctors can make a huge difference. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on long-term health. Your knees will thank you. If you enjoyed this podcast, please hit like, share with friends or family who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy, active life. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Thank you for listening, and here's to strong, pain-free knees that let you move freely every day.